Our brain is the most important organ of our body, which plays an important role in all the important functions related to our body. All of our emotions, sensations, aspirations, and everything that makes us uniquely individual come from our brain. Our mind is behind every action we take, from eating to sleeping. Whatever we eat and drink has a deep impact on our health and brain. In such a situation, to maintain good health of our brain, we should take care of our lifestyle. Apart from food, we can also make our brain healthy with the help of many exercises. There are many mind games and activities which help in making our brain healthy. In such a situation, we can make our brain active and healthy by exercising it in different ways. There are certain things with the help of which we can make our brain healthy. Exercise regularly. Studies have shown that physical active people are less likely to experience a decline in their mental function and have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Regular physical exercise helps in keeping the brain fit and healthy. It also helps in relaxing our nervous system. Healthy diet, a nutrient-rich diet rich in protein, saturated fat, fruits and vegetables is important not only for your physical health but also for your mental health. This healthy diet helps in providing essential nutrients to your body and enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is necessary to keep our brain, heart and health healthy. Studies state that sleep helps clear abnormal proteins in our brain and consolidates memories, which boosts overall memory and brain health. Puzzles and games, to make mind healthy and active, take the help of different types of puzzles and games. Challenging our brain with new games and puzzles will keep our brain more active. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, reading, playing cards or putting together a jigsaw puzzle, etc. It can boost brain health. Meet with people to make your brain healthy. It is important that you manage stress and depression. For this, increase conversation and interaction with the people around you. Doing this helps in speeding up brain function and also reduces the risk of depression. Regular exercise, make brain healthy by adopting good habits in your lifestyle. Making regular physical exercise a part of your routine helps in keeping the brain fit and healthy. It also helps in relaxing our nervous system. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking may help maintain brain health and can reduce our risk of heart disease, cancer, lung disease, and other smoking-related illnesses.